So starting the test drive in this Malibu RS, pickup's decent in the 1.5 variant, even though we don't get a 2-liter anymore. And it's just much better paired with the CVT as opposed to the setup you get in the Equinox. It just feels a lot less sluggish than the Equinox does. And at the same time, the engine feels less strained under throttle compared to the Equinox with the same powertrain, which is what I'd expect. This car is lighter than an SUV. We'll give her a pull here. And I'll say the Malibu feels borderline quick with this setup, again, compared to the Equinox. Now, I've owned a 2016 Malibu LT that had the 1.5 turbo with the 6-speed, and then I had a Premier that was a 2016 that had a 2-liter turbo paired with an 8-speed, and both of those cars were quick. And this just feels more swift than quick because you don't have the shift points. You're not hearing that loud turbo blow off, but I mean, still pretty quick car. Now, in terms of the ride quality, the ride's pretty solid in this. Road noise is minimal even with the 18s. And the overall acoustics in the cabin are very good. I still feel like I'm not having to scream at my passengers, but it's not silent in here either. I like it. It just feels normal. And just the overall driving dynamics are good. I like the steering feel. I like the brake pedal feel, gas pedal feel. Makes sense for this kind of car. There's the auto stop. It's about to come on. Now, for the money, I do think this is just a tad pricey for not having heated seats, for not having adaptive cruise control, things of that nature that the competition pretty much gets standard when you look at the Camry, when you look at the Accord. But still a market for these because these are probably the best fleet cars that you can get. Malibus are easy to maintain, they're easy to drive, very good space in here. And even though they have the CVT in them now, the 1.5 turbo has a pretty good track record in terms of reliability. And again, if you do need to fix something, it's nothing crazy. I want to give a big thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Malibu, and I'll leave a link below in the description. But if the powertrain worries you, as long as you have this under one owner, you get a lifetime powertrain warranty. So if I sign my name on this today and I keep it in my name forever, I get a lifetime powertrain warranty attached to it. Now, if you get rid of the vehicle, sell it to somebody else, it doesn't transfer over, but you still get the lifetime powertrain warranty again for however long you have the vehicle, engine, transmission, drive axles. Now, if that doesn't entice you and you're looking to find a vehicle closer to your area, click on that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure that local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on a new Malibu or any new vehicle you might be interested in. But final thoughts on this, I just really wish that GM would have kept up just the development of the Malibu, because when it first got its redesign in 2016, it was unbelievable. When I started selling cars in like 2015, and when I saw this was coming out, this was the dream car for me. And when I finally was able to buy not one but two of them, I'm just thinking, I wish they had an electric variant of this. I traded my 2016 Premier in for a Tesla, because the Malibu hybrids were so high. But if I could get a Malibu that was electric, I'd get one. That's how much that I love that car. And it's still a great car, don't get me wrong, but it's a car from 2016. I have the same screen, the same AC controls, everything. And I just wish they would have worked harder on making it better. But with all that being said, this is gonna bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Chevy Malibu in the RS trim level.